For more than 85 years, Omron has helped perfect the art of building machines that help humans. Now, we introduce a machine specifically built to work with people. Meet the Omron TM Collaborative Robot series. This is a robot designed with a singular vision, human and machine, working together in perfect harmony. A robot so versatile, it adapts to any number of tasks. Guided by a state-of-the-art robot vision system designed to recognize a reference point, the robot can be moved and perform its tasks with no additional setup. This robot also collaborates with other machines, performing a wide range of applications relevant to almost any industrial environment. From machine tending to pick and place to screw driving. This is a robot governed by intuitive software that allows you to easily customize functions. No coding knowledge required. Simply drag and drop a pre-programmed application from the plug-and-play library to set up your robot. And it's ready to help you right out of the box, wherever you may need it. And coming soon, an integration with Omron's industry-leading mobile robots will allow autonomous repositioning for any task in your factory. The versatile, safe, and mobile Omron TM Industrial Collaborative Robot. Human and machine in perfect harmony.